What if the most advanced aircraft ever built has never been revealed to the public? No air show, no official photos, no pilot interviews, no proof it even exists. And yet, people keep seeing something. Something fast, something silent, something impossible. For decades, witnesses across remote deserts, oceans, and restricted military zones have reported a strange object in the sky. Not a jet, not a drone, not anything known to aviation science. No contrails, no engine noise, no visible wings, just a dark shape, moving faster than anything should be able to move inside Earth's atmosphere. And then, gone. Some believe it is a next-generation spy plane. Others say it's a hypersonic weapon platform. A few think it's something far stranger, because if this aircraft is real, it would rewrite everything we know about flight. This is the story of the aircraft too secret to be real. Near the end of the Cold War, military strategists faced a terrifying reality. Speed was no longer enough. Stealth was no longer enough. Satellites could see almost everything. Radar systems were becoming more powerful. Missiles were getting faster. The sky was becoming crowded, monitored, dangerous. To survive future wars, an aircraft would need to do the impossible. Fly anywhere on Earth, undetected. Arrive before enemies could react. Escape before interception was even possible. Not an improvement, a revolution. Deep inside classified research programs, engineers began exploring technologies far beyond conventional aviation. Exotic propulsion systems, extreme heat-resistant materials, shapes designed not for aerodynamics, but for invisibility. The goal was simple: build a machine so advanced that it would make all previous aircraft obsolete overnight. And according to persistent rumors, they succeeded. In the early 1990s, strange reports began to surface from isolated areas near test ranges. Night workers described a dark object streaking across the sky with no sound at all. Hunters camping in desert regions reported flashes of light moving faster than shooting stars, but changing direction mid-flight. Commercial pilots occasionally spotted something high above cruising altitude. Too high for normal aircraft, too fast to identify. Air traffic control radar would sometimes detect a target, only for it to vanish seconds later. No transponder, no flight plan, no explanation. Military officials dismissed these reports as sensor errors, meteors, or classified exercises. But the sightings never stopped. If anything, they increased. Witnesses described the object in different ways, but several details remained consistent. It produced no sonic boom, even at extreme speed. It could hover briefly before accelerating instantly. It emitted a faint glow rather than engine flames. It left no visible exhaust trail. Some said it resembled a long black triangle. Others described a sleek dart shape. A few claimed it looked like a flying wing, but thinner, sharper, almost unnatural. Whatever it was, it didn't behave like a conventional aircraft, because conventional aircraft must obey physics. This thing didn't seem to. To understand how strange these sightings are, consider this. Modern fighter jets already push the limits of human engineering. At extreme speeds, air friction generates temperatures hot enough to melt metal. Pilots experience crushing forces that can cause blackout or death. Engines risk catastrophic failure. Yet witnesses reported this object accelerating as if none of those limits existed, from near standstill to hypersonic speed in seconds. No gradual climb, no long run-up, just instantaneous motion. If true, such performance would suggest propulsion technology fundamentally different from jet engines or rockets. Some aerospace insiders whisper about advanced systems that compress air in front of the vehicle, reducing drag. Others speculate about electromagnetic propulsion, using fields instead of combustion. More controversial theories go even further, suggesting gravity manipulation or space-time distortion. Officially, none of these technologies exist in operational aircraft. Unofficially, billions of dollars disappear every year into programs the public never hears about. Governments around the world maintain classified funding streams for projects considered too sensitive for disclosure. These funds develop technologies that can change the balance of global power overnight. Stealth aircraft were once secret. High-altitude reconnaissance planes were once secret. Even radar-evading bombers were denied until they were suddenly revealed. History shows a pattern. If a military capability would shock the world, it is developed in silence. And if an aircraft could cross continents in minutes, evade all defenses, and strike without warning, it would be the ultimate strategic weapon. Revealing it would eliminate its advantage. So secrecy becomes part of the design. Constructing such an aircraft would require enormous facilities, advanced materials, and extreme security. Remote desert bases are ideal. Vast empty land, restricted airspace, minimal civilian presence, and the ability to test experimental vehicles without witnesses. Satellite images of certain test ranges show long runways, unusual hangars, and infrastructure far beyond what publicly known aircraft programs would require. Some analysts believe underground facilities may house entire development complexes hidden from view. Because if the aircraft truly exists, hiding it in plain sight would not be enough. It would need to be invisible even from space. In an age where smartphones record everything, how could such a revolutionary aircraft remain hidden? The answer may be simple: timing and location. Tests reportedly occur at night. Flights happen over restricted zones or oceans. Personnel involved operate under extreme secrecy agreements. Components may be manufactured in separate facilities to prevent anyone from understanding the full design. Even pilots might know only what they need to fly the mission, not the deeper technology behind it. And unlike commercial aviation, there are no passengers, no public schedules, no observers, just darkness, speed, and silence. If an aircraft with near-instant global reach exists, its missions would likely include strategic reconnaissance, rapid strike capability, satellite deployment, electronic warfare, emergency response to emerging threats. It could monitor hostile regions without detection, deliver payloads before defenses activate, or evacuate critical personnel from anywhere on Earth. In short, it would redefine military power. Some experts argue such a system would act as a deterrent more than a weapon. If adversaries know they cannot hide, cannot defend, cannot respond in time, conflict becomes far less appealing. Others warn it would trigger a new arms race, one fought at speeds humanity has never experienced before. Whenever something appears to violate known physics, speculation inevitably turns toward extraterrestrial origins. Some theorists believe advanced aircraft programs may be reverse engineering recovered materials or studying unknown propulsion concepts. There is no credible public evidence for this, but the idea persists because the reported performance seems so far beyond current engineering. Whether the truth is cutting-edge human innovation or misunderstood observations, one thing is certain: something unusual has been seen again and again. Across decades, across continents. Requests for information about advanced classified aircraft are routinely met with carefully worded responses. No comment, no confirmation, no denial. This ambiguity fuels speculation because governments rarely deny technologies outright. Instead, they simply refuse to discuss them. And sometimes, years later, previously secret aircraft are suddenly unveiled. Already mature, already operational, already reshaping military capability. If that pattern holds true, whatever is flying now may be revealed only when it is no longer cutting edge. By then, something even more advanced may already exist. Imagine an aircraft capable of traveling from one side of the planet to the other in under an hour. Imagine surveillance without satellites, defense without warning, response times measured in minutes instead of days. Borders would become meaningless to such a machine. Air superiority would no longer depend on dogfights or missile ranges. It would belong to whoever controls the impossible. No verified public photograph proves its existence. No official document confirms it. No pilot has stepped forward to describe flying it. And yet, the reports continue. Silent objects crossing the sky at unbelievable speed. Radar tracks that appear and disappear instantly. Military exercises followed by unexplained aerial activity. Coincidence? Misidentification? Experimental prototypes? Or evidence of a breakthrough humanity is not ready to acknowledge? Perhaps the most unsettling possibility is not that such an aircraft exists, but that it has existed for years, watching, testing, waiting. Because true strategic advantage does not come from what the world knows you have. It comes from what the world cannot even imagine. Somewhere above us, beyond commercial flight paths and beyond public awareness, there may be machines operating on the edge of science. Aircraft built not just to fly, but to dominate the sky completely. And until the day they are revealed, they remain exactly what they were designed to be. An aircraft too secret to be real, or too real to be secret.